and you can customize your calendar however you like, but you scroll down to notifications here, and then you have calendar notifications, task notifications, and task overdue notifications, multiple types. To customize the calendar notifications, you tap on the calendar notifications option there, and you see, make sure the notifications are first enabled, and that it's the default. It will vibrate based on the phone settings, but you can disable that if you wanted to. And then you have the option for sound. You want to have notifications. You want to know when you have an entry in your calendar that you need to know about, but you might want to hear a different sound when it plays, so that as soon as the phone rings, you know it's a notification from the calendar and not a message, a text message, or another app notification. For me, this is the default notification sound, and it could stay like this. It will be the same as any other notification, but if I wanted